everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and Connor just whipped up some amazing chana masala. Now I don't know about you, but I just can't have Indian food without some fresh, delicious naan bread to go with it. So bust out the flour, it's time for some easy vegan naan bread. Let's get into it. Start off with a big bowl of flour, instant yeast, and salt. I'm using coconut sugar for a sweetening agent, but feel free to use any other sugar or even maple syrup. Give that a good mix so it's evenly distributed and pour in some warm water. Start off by mixing it together with a spoon and switch to your hands once it starts to clump up. I usually switch to a floured surface at this point and really start to knead it into a smooth ball. Make sure to flour your hands as well or you're gonna have a sticky time. Now grab a clean bowl and add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Roll the bowl around so the oil coats the sides, then plop the dough in. Roll the dough so it gets evenly coated by the oil and cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Rest on the kitchen counter for 30 minutes and then it's time for the fun part. On a floured surface, cut the dough into 8 even chunks and roll each ball into a flat oval. Dust a little flour if they seem a little too sticky. Now grab a frying pan and set it to medium-high heat. A non-stick pan works best. Let the pan get completely warmed up, then drizzle in a tiny amount of olive oil, no more than a teaspoon. Place one dough sheet into the pan and fry for about 2 minutes until it starts to brown on the bottom. A good sign that it is ready on the bottom is when the top starts to bubble a little bit. Flip the dough over and fry for another 1 to 2 minutes until that side is also browned. Remove from the pan and add the next dough sheet. Add a little more oil as you go along if the pan gets too dry. Now that all the dough has been fried, let's grab some chana masala and let's plate this dish. Now the best way to eat it is to tear it off. Naan bread is always so light and fluffy and it works perfect as pairing for any Indian food. It is amazing. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what you pair your naan bread with in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious vegan and vegetarian dishes. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. I'm not stuffing my face while I cook. I don't know what you're talking about.